Hi everyone, my name is Venkat and today I will be demonstrating the techniques of folding 5 different types of napkins. Let's go. So I've got my napkin here. Usually napkins come in square shape, but since mine is rectangle, I will be folding it so it will be in square shape. Full disclosure, all of the techniques, all of the napkin folding types here, that I learned them from the internet, so yeah, I cannot take full credit for it. Okay, let's start. The first one is called a flower napkin. So you basically first just fold and fold into a small square, something like this, and then just open back. So you have the indication line, this, and then just take one each corner and close, just this, and then repeat. You hold it carefully and turn it over, and then repeat the steps again to the side. And then the one part I just use carefully here, lift this up and take this end and just pull slowly, carefully, and there you have it, flower napkin. Okay, next one, this one is called the rose napkin. So all you have to do is first this way, and then take this each corner and just place it in the middle center here. Okay, and then the same here, and then again fold it again this way, and then just one time, next one, and then again fold it out like this, and then from the left side or right side, whichever, just take it and put it back so it becomes this way. Okay. And then just close, just open carefully. It will look like a small candle first, okay. Then just take this end and just plug it. Okay. Plug it carefully. Flip it over. Okay, for the tail, just spread out, just open this way, spread out, and then just, and there you go. You have roast. So now the next one is called Christmas tree napkin. So all you have to do is firstly just fold it in half, this, and then in half again, making it to a smaller square, and then at the end just go like this, the end then opens up, and next one face it to you. Then just bring each layer one by one, just leave it here, and then press in the middle and just flip it over, and then take this corner and just pull it to the other side, and then do the same to the next one, making it like this. So you will have a diamond shape, yes, diamond shape, and then flip it over, and then this one, the end one, just fold it in, and you will have tree line. And then you will get this triangle shape, and then just take each of this corner here, just tuck it in. There you have it, Christmas tree napkin. Now the next one, this one is called the crown napkin. So okay, so first all you have to do is fold it into a triangle, almost half, but not full half. Then this one, the corner one, just flip back, so it's gonna look like this. And then just carefully flip it over and press about three fingers in the middle. Just close. Just make it stand, and now it just. Now, okay, when you have it like this, just carefully open each side this way. Open, and there you have it. Crown. Okay, now for the last one. This one is called the Atrium Lily napkin. So first, just like the crown napkin, it's almost similar. So just check the corner, fold in to make a rectangle. Each end, just bring it to the middle part here, just like the crown napkin. This one, okay. Once you got this one, again, the end here, just take it up this way, and then half of it just bring down this again, so it look like this way. And then each of these two just fold it in and just put it under this one in this, so it will look like this. And then one more layer. Carefully press this one gently and turn it over, and then just like a crown again, just take these two, make sure it's even, and there you have it. Atrium Lily napkin. So that was 5 different types of napkin holdings, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and thanks for watching. Bye! Hello everyone, my name is Franklin Tubamilang, and today I will be demonstrating how to use serving gears. All you need is a fork and a spoon. You need to place the spoon in the middle of your middle finger and your pinky finger, so it goes like this. So you're gonna hold it like this, and then next, the fork, you're gonna put it in between your index finger and your thumb, and you're gonna hold it, and it's gonna be like this. So it's basically gonna be a tongue, and this is used to pick up food. So you're just gonna do it like this, just basically like how you use a regular tongue, just, and then you can turn the fork around, so it's gonna be this way, and then you can use it this way to scoop out rice. And then for spaghetti or noodle meal like that, you can use 2 forks. So just like just now, you can take 2 forks and then you can hold them like this, and then you just use it like a regular tongue. So it needs practice to get used to this. So yeah, just practice you doing this to relax your hands, so you get used to it when you serve. I think that's about it, and thank you for watching.